I've had a few people ask me lately what we can do to actually open up the shoulders more. So I was looking at different Tai Chi moves, and there's one called Fair Lady Works Shuttle, which basically in Tai Chi you're going around and you're turning, taking it up and moving out. So I thought we'd do modifications of this, just see if we can't open it up, because I was going through it and I thought this actually opens up the pecs and posterior, the teres minor, major, a lot of the anterior, posterior muscles. It's very effective. So we're just going to take our arms around clockwise, reach out and twist a little bit and come right out. So this hand goes up here and out. So we're going to go out anti-clockwise and out. Now we're not going to do it as slow as we do in Tai Chi. So this is definitely a modification. And out. And take it out. Good. So we go up and around. Up and around. Up and around. And really stretch it out. So when you go out here, really pull it out so you get a nice stretch across the chest, taking it out, but the arm comes back here. So out and over. Let's go a little bit faster. Really stretch out. Really stretch out. When I say stretch out, it's stretching out with the wrist, the hand coming up, but also pulling back from the shoulder. So again, around, take it out. And take it out. Take it out. Now what's really neat about this exercise too is that it really opens up the scapular, shoulder blade. It gets it to rotate and go through the motions. You have 17 muscles that connect to the scapula, and this really opens up the area like basically no other exercise I've seen.